Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Goodnotes is slow to launch on your iPad, it's usually caused by large files, background activity, or system performance issues. The good news is that you can fix it quickly. So the first thing you can do is close background apps. So swipe up to open app switcher, close unused apps. This frees memory, which is RAM, and speeds up Goodnotes launch. Okay, you can also restart your iPad, turn off iPad off, wait 10 seconds and turn it back on. So this clears temporary system slowdown. Okay, you can also check storage space. So go to settings, go to general, tap iPad storage and make sure you have free space. So this deletes unused apps or files if needed, okay, because slow storage means slow performance. You can also reduce large notebooks, so split very large notebooks into smaller ones, okay. Remove unused pages, archive old notes. So heavy files equals longer loading time. You can also optimize iCloud sync. So go to iPad settings, okay, tap your Apple ID, tap iCloud and check iCloud Drive. So ensure stable internet exists, and pause and retry sync if stuck, because syncing can delay app startup. Okay, updates Goodnotes. So open App Store, search for Goodnotes and tap updates. This fixes bugs and improves speed. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.